Okay, what you doing?
I am putting this 327 small journal together. These are the rods and pistons. Just putting the lock in one side, and then I'm fixing to put the rods on the pistons. And then I'm gonna check the ring in gap. Then once I do that, I can put the rings on the pistons and start putting the pistons in the. Well, I'll put the number one piston in, and then I'll check the camshaft and see where it's at. I'll check the see where it is as far as the intake center line and stuff like that. But
Okay.
that's kind of where we're at.
Okay. You ain't got no. You need to speak that.
Speaking to the microphone.
I left it in the office.
You did. Why'd you leave it in the office?
Because I got hollered at.
I gave you time to get back here. I was putting the fourth one in when I hollered at you. You know?
Yeah. It's okay. You don't talk anyway.
Gotta put the even side in now.
Oh.
4 more to go.
Yay. Once you do this, finish this, is the short block done?
Yeah, pretty much.
Cool. And you just focus on the long block?
Focus on putting the rest of it together. We'll torque the rods and check side clearance on the rods.
Good job.
Looking good.
Good job. So got the play, the give with the
Side clearance.
the jiggling. That's got jiggle.
Wish I had a girl that walked like that.
Christopher.
You said the jiggles.
Well, I was talking about it.
Oh.
The jiggle and the.
Okay. Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Got good side clearance.
Okay.
Good to go.
All
Okay.
right. Good job.